Before you view our video, please take a few moments to subscribe our Better Food and Health Ideas channel by clicking subscribe button and tap a bell icon. So, you are a first person to know when we are post our new video. The right diet depends on the type and stage of the problem, of course. But there are some popular foods that doctors consider to be bad for anyone who has kidney trouble. Spinach. If you have kidney stones, it is recommended that you consume around 40 to 50 milligrams of oxalates a day. Where does spinach enter the conversation? Well, it might be a food you want to steer clear of considering. It contains around 100 milligrams a serving. Bananas. The average banana holds an estimated 422 milligrams of potassium. Since a banana is just around 89 calories, and absolutely delicious, it's not uncommon for a person to eat more than one. Remember, you want 1,500 to 2,700 milligrams minimum. If you're a kidney patient, this means one banana could be roughly 15 to 28% of your daily potassium intake. Whole wheat bread. A single slice of whole wheat bread carries around 57 milligrams of phosphorus and around 69 milligrams of potassium. If you're making a sandwich, that's 114 milligrams of phosphorus and 138 milligrams of potassium. And that's just before adding the meat, which leads us into our next food. Red meat. A recent study showed that kidney patients with steady diets of red meat were 3 times more likely to develop kidney failure than those who eat clean veggies. This includes things such as pork, lamb, and beef. Yes, your precious jerky. Avocado. Let's get this one out of the way, cause like me, you're probably shocked by this. On a menu of healthy foods, everyone tells you to eat. Avocado is normally at the top. Every hipster and barista with man bun can't wait to tell you about that new avocado flavored product they've been turned on to. Oranges. Citrus is good for maintaining already healthy kidneys, but a kidney patient who's trying to watch their health can be greatly affected by the amount of potassium. By the way, you are going to be hearing that word a lot in this video. Pickles. Anyways, if you somehow are considering an all pickle diet, you may want to check how your kidneys are doing first. Apricots. These delicious fruits are known to be high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and copper. But again, if your kidneys are weak, a healthy diet you must seek. Again, these can't all be gems, people. 1 cup of dried apricots can hold up to 1,500 milligrams of potassium. Soda. Phosphorus is a key mineral of the human body. While it only comprises about 1% of your body weight, phosphorus is responsible for the formation of your bones and teeth. A healthy adult is recommended to consume between 800 milligrams to 1,200 milligrams per day. Additive phosphorus, however, is not ideal for your health. I hope you learned something new today. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and share it with your friends. More tips, please subscribe Better Food and Health Ideas channel. Please also check out the Smoothie Detox Challenge link below, the link also inside our description area.